What's up, guys? Today I have here a Samsung tablet and I'm going to show you how you can factory reset it, erasing all the data. And mind you, it will erase all your data and apps and everything. So to do that, you go in the settings. Here you go in the settings, and from settings you go to where are we? Yes, you go here, general management, and I don't know if you can see clear enough. The last option here is reset, so you click here on reset, and then it gives you four options: reset settings, reset network settings, reset accessibility settings, or factory data reset. So you want to do factory data reset, so you click here. Now it's saying all data will be erased from your tablet, including your Google account, system app, setting, and everything. That's what you want to do, right? So you click on reset, and it's giving you another warning, but you say delete all. Now it says here shutting down. So the tablet will restart, and once it restarts, it will erase everything on your tablet. What happens is sometimes you've downloaded some stuff that slowing the tablet down, or you have too much data and you just want to refresh everything. So as you can see, it's rebooting now, and after rebooting, there's it says erasing here. I don't know if you can see it. I can bring it. Okay, it's gone. Now, after rebooting, it will erase everything and bring it back to factory reset the way you bought it brand new. And before you do that, you gotta make sure that you log out of your Google account. Now it's gonna take a few minutes. It will stay on this logo, and after that it should come back to main screen where you can set it up as a brand new tablet. And if you don't log out of your Google account, then it will ask for your Google account and password while you will try to set it up again. So I recommend that you log out of your Google account and you log out of your Samsung account. That way, once it's erased, it will not ask any of the password. Because if you don't have the password and you erase everything, then you're asking for trouble, because then you won't be able to get into the tablet if you have erased it. So I recommend logging out of your Google and Samsung account. So as you can see the line, it says installing application. So it's installing the preloaded apps and stuff. And mind you, it's not connected to the internet, so whatever the apps were built in or comes with the Android version, it's installing those apps, and it's almost done installing that. And now it brings back to this page where you can see let's go. So from here you can go click the blue arrow and you can set it up as a new tablet. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next.